Hi everyone, welcome back to AZ220 Microsoft Azure IoT Developer. In today's lesson, we'll be covering Lab for connecting the IoT device to Azure. So you can have a pre-read on it, how it actually works in terms of things and inside. So in this particular lab, you'll be checking on how to create an IoT Hub device ID and then create a simulation device. Alright, so I'm going to minimize this and to the side so that we have our portal ready and our. So also remember the IoT reference that you have opened earlier. So in this case, we have the resource group. We know which is our resource group. You can actually put it here also RG-AC220 just for your name. IoT Hub, you know what it is. So these are some of the codes that will be frequently used. Okay. So remember that in the last step we have to put the labs from GitHub. So once it's done, you will be only then you can proceed with lab 4. Okay, so here you see here, you click on this icon here. Okay, click on this icon and then wait for the terminal to prepare itself. Okay, so once it's ready, okay, so you see now it's ready. At the same time, there's also Bash platform. So you can also log into Bash when it is required to go into Bash. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, our PowerShell is ready. So in terms of PowerShell, it is mentioned here as Club Shell. Right? We are using Bash. So yeah, we have Bash and we are using it. Okay. So here you can see this icon here, upload and download files. Click on that. Click on upload files and then navigate to the location where you have your files ready. In this case, let's go into right. I am not sure if I have it here. No. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on the Azure and have this as, and I'll go into all files. So the instruction says, we click on upload and then we navigate for this. So we go to lab, click on form, and then go to setup and click on this, and then click open. So once you click open, that's it. I've already uploaded. I don't want to re-upload again. Okay. So once you have done that, to verify it, you click LS. Okay. Once you click LS, here you see I've done several labs, so you can see many things over here. Okay. So you can see lab 4 here. You see. So in this case, let me patient, you would see it as you would see this particular file name, only this file name in your script. Okay, so when you click lab, that's what you will see because it's showing the list of services or list of files over there. So make a directory like what I've done lab form. So how do you make? You click on this, you paste, and then this is moving this particular file into the lab form. Also put in that and cd lab form, meaning to say get into lab 4. So let's see, I will move into lab 4 to show you what is over there. So I'm listing down what's the file over there. Can you see I have the lab 4 already inside? I don't have this too. Why do you have? You don't have this too, but I have this too. Why is that? That's because you need to execute permission and install a file. So you need to copy this. Once you have executed these 3 line items, you execute this And then once it's done, you click on this button here, the Open Editor button. Okay, navigate to Lab 4. You will see this. You click on that. Okay, you click on that and make sure you change these details. Okay, when you click, you will see immediately up there, change the ID to your ID, meaning to say change it to this ID. And your location, remember what I said? Copy your location. So since mine is Southeast Asia, it is going to be Southeast Asia. All in lowercase and there's no space in between. So copy this and then keep it in your reference note, paste it here. And then you can see 3 dots here. Click on that and click on Save button. Once you have done that, click Close Edit. Done. You have already installed the Lab 4 in your, then you will see similar file. Okay, now we will move to the exercise 2. Exercise 2, on RG, I'm clicking on the IoT AC training. Okay, it's asking me to click on the IoT Hub. See this, you already know it's IoT Hub. So under the Explorer here, click on IoT device. And my IoT device is already listed. Sensor TH001, you see. So yours will not be because you did not do it yet. So you got to click here, new, add the device ID name, copy this name and paste it there. Make sure symmetric is selected. Where do you get your primary key? I do not know. So for now, it's disabled. So you just put auto generate. Okay. And then when it comes to connect to IoT device, click on enable. And then there is no parent device and click save. Done, right? Then you will see your sensor TH0001 there. Now we are moving to task 2, getting the device connection string. Okay. So this is where you have to click on the device itself. Okay. It's already created, you're clicking on the devices and it is opening the device. Right. So to the right, if you can see here, that's primary key, secondary key. To the right here, you just click copy. Alright. So it's a key unique for your end system. Alright. So you see here, already pasted. So the string, the format will be something like this. IoT Hub name, Azure device, and so on. Okay. So you can choose to put here, or you can always come back and then paste it. Alright. I've already copied the device. Remember, you copy here. Done. That's all you need to do here, okay? And now you need to test, right, whether it's working or not. So to test, we will go to the next, we're going to create an initial plan. So as I said, we will click on terminal. We'll go here. And then we will make a directory, cave device. So cd cave device. And then we create a .NET new console. Copy paste this. And this command will create a program.cs file. So make sure you add this line next into it and enter. .NET restore. Okay. In my case, I'm not doing it because I already have the file in my history. Alright, where did it create? Okay, can you see here, cave device. It's already created. Okay, so this is where you have to open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here you can either click here, open folder, or you can click file, open folder, and then navigate the cave documents. In this case, let's navigate cave device. I've already selected. Okay, and you will see there will be two files listed. Do you see that? All right, great. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to stop. Okay, so if you see under cave, you see similar file like this. Okay, the codes will be similar. What we're going to do is under the explore. Where is explore? I don't know. Okay, here you go. Let's have a file CS. Program CS. Let's open that. Okay, we got that over there. And what are they saying? Take a minute to review. Alright, guys, you can do that. You know, their explanation of what's over there. It's already there. And you would have to write the console line. You know, you can do this. You know, just follow through. Okay. So, yes. So initially, this is how it will be. Right, this is how you will see. You won't see many details. In mine, I see many. That's because I've already created. Then you go to view, you click on terminal. You will get a terminal down there. Okay, then you click .NET run. Okay, so if you want to run that particular file, okay, it will run the file. So then that's it, and we'll go to implement simulator. So we are going back again here. Right, let it run. Since mine will take time because it has programs or lines inside it. So okay, we click back again to program CS, and then you see search for this particular line item. I don't want it to continue, so I'm stopping it. So I copy this. You know, if you're finding it hard to search, you just press Ctrl F. It's fine, and it will show you where to find it. Where is it? So you can see here. You can see here. It's already located. Okay, and now you're going to paste this particular line item. You see, I have already pasted that line item, but mine will have code. I will guide similar thing. So I will quickly show you in terms of where or what you should be doing. You know, right, let's just have this slightly smaller so that you do not get confused. Okay. So paste this below that statement, and then locate this particular file. Control F again and locate it. Paste below that all this. Again, Control F and find this. Just below that, paste all this. And move on. And just move on. Okay, So it will be telling you at the control string line. Okay, if you see, I have paste. Here you are. Okay, here you have to paste your device string where where you going to get that. Remember you copied just now? Yeah. So what you do, you copy this whole thing, replace it, and then your shared key, remember? This whole line item up to here, paste with the key you copied. For example, primary key that I copied is like from the system is okay. Let me just quickly show you. This is how it will look like. Okay, I copy that and I'll paste it over there. Okay, so I have it ready with me already. So I already pasted it. Okay, then similarly locate this item and paste this statement. Move on. I'm quickly guiding you. Copy this, Control F, and below that statement, paste this whole line item. Move on. This is an explanation you can read, but this is showing you how to execute, so I don't want to go further explaining it. Find this, replace with this items, locate this, replace with this line item, and then go to File and Save. To test your application, you can click .NET Run. So when you click that, you see the outcome that I got. This is how you will be getting. It will be sending a temperature message. How are you going to stop it's running continuously, right? So leave it for a while. Okay, let me just run it also. Okay, and then let it run. So it will take some time. You see, they already stated here. Just quickly see that's it. Okay, so what they're asking now, let it run. You go to your sensor, okay, and then copy this line item. Remember this IoT line, so this is where you need a notepad. Replace this with your IoT Hub. This is your IoT Hub. Replace this with IoT Hub. Copy this code and you go to your cloud shell. I'm restarting. This is how you will see. And let it restart. And for you, it would be faster because I just restarted. So it's taking time. Okay, so what we're gonna do, cloud shell terminal is connected. Let me see if it's connecting to terminal. Better wait for a while. So if it all depends on the speed, the internet speed, but we can complete it faster. Did you see that from morning you start, it takes roughly 10 minutes or 15 minutes per lab? you carefully follow through. Okay, in your case, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this statement as I said just now. Replace it by copying this. Okay. Alright, it's getting close. Alright, so I'm going to paste it and enter. So when I paste and enter, what it is doing, did you see? I'm getting the result. That's what you see here. It is running continuously. Okay, so if I want to stop, all I have to do is press Ctrl C and it stops. Okay, that's it for the lab. And now what we're going to do, at this we're going to stop also. Oh sorry, Ctrl C. We stop. So both places we stop, and that's it. Our lab 4 is completed. See you again in the next lab. Tata and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.